Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, anyway, hi, welcome. So today's video I will be doing a 2021 glow up transformation for my birthday. Okay, it's gonna be a birthday edition. It's gonna be like a little vlog, but yeah, it's gonna be like my birthday glow up. My hair done tomorrow, so I need to start this vlog early. So I need to start the vlog early, so that I'm doing it right now. So I gotta go comb my hair down, wash my hair, and get my hair done. And I'm gonna get my nails done too, and all of it gonna be done as gonna be by the same person. It could be my older sister. She will be doing my hair and nails. She's very talented. I'm not gonna show y'all I'm washing my hair and stuff. But tomorrow I might show y'all that getting my hair done and my nails done. So yeah. And on my birthday, it's gonna be like a birthday edition. So I am turning 21 on my birthday, baby, the 18th. 21? 21? Really? Okay, yeah. I am turning 21. Crazy. But yeah, so I will come back to y'all tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so I am showing y'all my hair review. I just got it done. 3, 2, 1. This is my hair. Yep, this is my hair. It's kind of like hurts right now. I will put a scarf on it, but it's kind of hurt my hair. But I'm trying to show y'all right now. Like, it's not even finished. It's not the twist part. But yeah, this is like the twist I got called Passion Twist. That's a lot. I didn't know it could be this a lot at all. But yeah, this is my hair. So you know, I didn't got my nails done yet. I didn't make my afro yet, but there will be soon. I really need to do this. But I just realized something on my last clip. I didn't say what the list of I'm gonna do on for my glow up birthday. I didn't say that none of that. I just said I get in my head on. But I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Hey guys, I am back. It's the next day, and I am still on my vlog. I was gonna put my camera right there by my window, but it's very gloomy out. It was raining out here. But yeah, so today is Thursday, February 11th. It's February 11th, and it's 2 o'clock, 2:03 now. But I just want to show y'all what skin palette that I have been using on my face, because you know on my glow up list I said I want to have a glowy skin. So I mean, I love this palette a lot. It really helps my skin a lot. So I'm gonna show y'all. There we go. Okay, I got some. This one. Let me know. I had another one go with the same product as the same moisture one. I got like a face toner, but my sister uses that one now, so I use that too. But this is like a face wash scrub for same moisture. It's like the same moisture skincare product. I really love this a lot. Oh, this head is tan, like a walk. Yeah, you can see that. Look at that. Oh, great. Yeah, they got a lot of black stuff in here. I don't know. Look at what it called. it's in here, but it's in here. I use this at night. I use this for my face at night. I don't use it in the mornings. I think for the nighttime be so good. So use this Shea Moisturizer. I love this a lot too. It can like keep your face be dry, but balance moisturizer. That's what I love too. It's on my out. Yep, it's on my out, but I need more. But yeah, this is what too. I love this. I use this in the morning, not at night. I use this in the morning, and then I use the black soap. This Epcan black soap. As you can see, yes, I use the black soap, and the black soap really work wonders. I really love the black soap. I've been using the black soap for a very long time, but I use this. The black soap I use morning and day. I know the black soap I use for morning and night. But the cost, I like to use this shea butter oil. It's coconut oil. I love this. I use this at night. I use Vaseline on my face too. I use over my nose. Sometimes my nose be already dry like that, and I want to be finished after it. And I put his Vaseline work on your face too. It work on your lips. It work everything. I like Vaseline. So that's pretty much all the product that I use on my face to make it look glow. So I need to start early. I mean, I have it on my face, but you know, I want to make it look glowy, so I'm gonna use all this product on my face before my birthday. So this is the last day. It's February the 16th, and my birthday says 2 more days. I just finished washing my face, brushing my teeth, and I tell y'all like grow your eyelash out. All you need to do is cold water and put Vaseline on it. I'm gonna go put Vaseline on my face. I hope it don't mind the scratch, but yeah, this is my face. Really like it, but I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. So that's gonna be the finished product. Here's the outfit, and I'm gonna show y'all like what outfit I have, jewelry, you know, all that kind of stuff. I got this jean right here. This jean from Bougie One. You know, Bougie One. I just got the sweater. My sister gave it to me. This is a see. Yeah. At this point, rainbow. I really like this one too. Yeah, I'm about to go like to my face, and I want to do like a hairstyle right here. Yeah, about to go and that up. Okay, so I thought I was filming the whole time of me getting ready. I'm done. This is my nails. I look like in my wings. I literally thought I was filming of me getting ready, but I wasn't, and the camera stopped me. But yeah, this is my look. This is my fine look, and I like it a lot. I just give me a nice look. I just realized. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the video. At the end of the video. But yeah, I really hope that y'all like this video as much as I do, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. And my birthday is 2 more days, but I want to post this on my video. I want to post this on my channel on my birthday. I want to like live. I want to put me in to talk to y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope y'all have